welcome to Mike's Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today is, of course, Tuesday, August 18th. We got the economic reports here. Today we have the housing starts for the month of July. In June, we had 1.22 million annualized seasonal adjustment for the season annualized units. Forecast is supposed to be a slight uptick to 1.252. However, we've been seeing the home builders index rising, so is housing starts as well as building permits, as you'll see here, and it jumped all the way up to 1.496 million. So this is the most we've had in quite some time here, and which is good news here. So now the future of building housing starts. So we got the building permits for July. In June it was at 258 million annualized units, and we got 1.33 million for the forecast, and it was even exceeded that to 1.45 million. So very good news here on housing starts here. As we had indicated, the home builders have been finding the confidence level rising as we've been getting the migration, people leaving the urban areas more to suburban and rural areas. These are the areas where home builders are typically making their single-family homes. But we also got a rise here on multi-family homes as well. So it's not just single families, but we did have a rise in both single family as well as multi-family properties here. So let's jump over ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are a bit mixed today. Again, like yesterday, Dow was the only lone index in the red so far this morning. Kind of not much news here. We got more rising tensions between U.S. and China. We put more restrictions on Huawei. Basically, President Trump had stated that a lot of the stuff that Huawei produces is basically a spyware for the Chinese government. We also have this week we got stocks are looking at retail sales, big large ones with Walmart as well as Home Depot. Both exceed their second quarter expectations or forecasts. So they look pretty good, but trading came in when it came into trading, some of them turned negative in those areas as well. And then, of course, we got the negotiations for the new stimulus package. There were some comments by Mitch McConnell yesterday saying that the Republicans are introducing a skinny version of it, including a $10 billion proposal for the post office. But he said even though there are ongoing negotiations, doesn't mean a deal will be struck. That kind of put a pin in the bubble for a lot of the investors yesterday when he made that comment, kind of making they're obviously needed. They think this is needed. The stimulus package is needed because we have so many people on unemployment. We got rent issues, stuff like that. That they were going to need some assistance in that. So let's go ahead and see how this is affecting the bond market today. Bond market's up 20 basis points, which is nice. We did pull back a bit yesterday. We did close up about 9 basis points from where we left off on Friday. But this is a bit, and it's bringing us over the 25-day moving average. So we're kind of getting into a range where we're getting a little bit better here, and hopefully see a continued pricing there a little bit more as we go on. So right now, this should be a little bit better pricing for interest rates today. Again, it'll be a little bit better because yesterday we were higher. We were up about 17 basis points, but right now we're up 20 basis points. All right. Now, and yields have come down a bit. They've fallen below that level here, that floor, what was a floor of support. Now they're coming down to about the 100-day moving average, and it's got a double floor of support. So we'll have to see if it can break below that. And right now it's right about 0.66% right now. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap for the day. If you guys, again, to reiterate, pricing for mortgage rates are slightly better today. If you guys stay tuned, I'll leave you a website you can go to if you want some information on different mortgage programs, or if you got questions about mortgages. I am a loan officer. You can also, if you have questions for me or want to reach out, we can help you with your pre-approvals and with purchase transactions, along with even refinance transactions. The company I work with is a national lender, and so we are able to lend in 48 states. My company is able to lend in 48 states. So please feel free to check out the website. I'll also put a link in the description below so you can click over to it and get more information. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.